third arm of our products which are suitable for the dental industry is the Camvita. This is a small handheld viewer. It's battery powered, charge up via a USB connection. It has several magnifications up to a maximum of 20 times. It has built-in LED illumination. Image capture, you capture up to 20,000 images in onboard memory. You can output those images by connecting to a PC. It also has a facility to add grids onto the image for measurements. There's a small arm on the bottom which gives you the correct height for imaging. One important thing for any dentist or dental laboratory is cleanliness. So you have some sort of tool, put it through a sterilisation system. Is there any biological material still on it? Something like this gives you a very easy way to check. It has a video output which you can output to a large monitor, which is ideal for training, recording, so you can keep a record of the videos you're recording with this device. It's a very useful handheld magnifier if someone's working on, say, a set of dentures and wants to get an image of it. Very easy to get, very high quality imaging. And you might say, why would I have one of these when I've got a smartphone? The advantage of this is it's optimised for close focus, whereas a smartphone wouldn't be. The image quality is far superior to what you would get with a smartphone. Very, very convenient, very high quality imaging, measuring, multiple magnifications. So generally a very useful little handheld magnifier.